Welcome to ShopTalk. This week we discuss how every step matters in the automotive service industry. In the world of automotive service, precision and attention to detail are key. Every step in the process of servicing a vehicle is crucial and must be completed correctly to ensure the safety and satisfaction of the customer. When shortcuts are taken, it can lead to serious consequences and ultimately harm the reputation of the service provider. In the automotive service process, every step serves a purpose. Skipping a step can result in missed issues that could lead to further problems down the road. For example, not checking all fluid levels or not performing a thorough inspection can result in missed warning signs that could indicate a larger issue. These issues could cause serious harm to the vehicle and its occupants. Shortcuts can also result in a lack of efficiency. When a process is not followed, it can take longer to diagnose and repair problems. This not only affects the customer's satisfaction, but also the bottom line of the business. In addition, shortcuts can result in costly mistakes and even dangerous situations. In a professional automotive service environment, shortcuts can also harm the reputation of the service provider. Customers trust that their vehicle will be serviced correctly and thoroughly, and shortcuts can call that trust into question. This can lead to negative reviews and a decrease in business. In conclusion, every step in the automotive service process is important and should be followed thoroughly. Shortcuts not only result in missed issues, inefficiencies, and mistakes, but they also harm the reputation of the service provider. By following every step and taking the necessary time to complete the process correctly, service providers can ensure the safety of the customer and the success of their business. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.